Okay, so what's your name?
Simon.
Simon? All right, Simon. So how did it go today?
Good.
What did you bring?
I brought a backgammon game, and there was the middle piece was first it wasn't straight anymore, and the screws were out.
Oh, okay. So did you try to fix it? Like before you came here, did you try to fix it?
No, because we didn't we didn't know how to do it.
Okay, so you brought it here, and can you tell me what happened exactly when you brought it here?
So first he straightened the piece, then he took the cloth out to access from the inside the missing stuff.
Yes.
And because we found one screw but not the other one, we looked for a screw that was kind of the same.
Right.
Then we put them in, and then we glued the cloth back on, and that's basically it.
So it's fixed.
Right.
And did you learn anything
about
how to fix it, or how to fit? Tell me what you.
I learned that you need logic to be able to fix it.
Do you think you would be able to fix it yourself next time?
Maybe.
Thank you, Saib. Oh, do you have something else you want to say? Anything else you want to tell us?
There's a 3D printer that I really like, and it takes quite a long time, but it's really fun.
What does a 3D printer do?
It prints stuff in 3D, kind of.
And it's cool.
Right. And it only does plastic. Well, I think.
Yep. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming, Simon. We'll see you again. Very good. Thank you very much.